guys, Jack Attack and Rye Guy, and today we are starving. We need food, so we're going fishing for food. Okay, we're not fishing for fish. We're fishing for food.
Well, fish is food, so
yeah, but we're going fishing for food,
like vegetables
and
others,
and fruits and
other kind of stuff.
These poles don't have any lines, so we're gonna go get a different pole because we just want to get right into it because we're starving. Anyways, let's go. All right, so we got my fishing pole all hooked up. Let's see if we can get anything. Right out there. Oh yeah, we got some. Got it. Oh yeah, look at this. Good, nice apple that I just caught. Bit hard. Oh yeah. That's good. I'm still hungry though. But now I think it's time for Rye Guy to catch a fish. Let's keep fishing. All right, he just casts it out.
Oh, we got something. We have gotten something. Oh, God.
Oh, you got some. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Nice little dried apricot.
That is nice.
Woo. Oh, yeah, get it line. Oh yeah. Look at this. A nice bag of Sun Chips. Oh yeah.
Oh man, I want that. I'm jealous.
All right. I'm gonna set the pole down, start eating. Look at that. Oh yeah.
Look at that. That's tasty. Now that's fishing for food, which is pretty much fish, but no.
This is good. Oh, we got some. Oh yeah. We got some. Oh, look at this. Oh. Just see it bouncing through the grass right there. Oh, look at this. A nice cherry tomato. Look at this. Let's get him good. There we go. He good hooked. Let's get him off there. All right, it's time to eat him. Good cherry tomato. Oh, that was good. I'll let Rye Guy catch a fish now. Not a fish, food. Oh dear. We got something. Oh yeah. Oh, he's got some. Look at that.
Cheese it.
Look at that. You want to go ahead and eat it?
Oh yeah, sure.
Yep. Oh yeah. Well, Rye Guy just caught his food right there. Do. Oh, dude, we have something. Oh, what the heck? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Oh look at this. Got a nice little carrot. Let me take it off the hook. All right, let me set the pole down, and here we have it. Man, that's actually a really good carrot. Oh yeah. That is tasty. Well, might be our last catch for the day, because it pretty much filled me up. I don't know about you, but right, guy, are you full? Huh? You full?
Huh?
Are you full?
I'm not hungry, but I'm not full. So once we're full, we're done, I guess.
I'm full, so that's probably it for me.
I'm probably gonna catch one more and then probably full by now.
All right.
Oh yeah.
He's gonna catch one more, so we'll watch him do that.
Oh. There's a frosted mini right there. Oh, we got it. We got it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. There it is. We got it. Oh, hi, Mama.
All right.
We got it.
That is an awesome frosted mini wheat right there. All right, there you go. You got it off the hook?
Yeah.
You-
Time to eat it. Good.
Oh yeah. All right. I'm pretty sure we're both full, so thanks for watching, guys. We had a blast making that little video there. It was just kind of like a little funny video because we didn't really have anything to do, and then we just wanted to make a video. Yeah. So make sure you subscribe to Jack Attack and Rye Guy, and like the video, and we'll see you on the next adventure.
Don't comment, or else. I don't know, you can't comment, I'm just kidding.
All right. Anyways, see you guys on the next adventure. Bye.
Bye.